In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an app with Google AI Studio. We'll start by going to Google AI Studio in your browser. If you're coming from a search page, open the official Google AI Studio results so you land on the main site. Once you're there, click Start Building to open the app creation workspace. After the workspace loads, head to the Settings area. This is where you'll configure the foundation of your project before generating anything. One of the most important choices here is your model. Choose a model that fits the kind of app you want to create, since this will affect how the AI responds and helps build your project. Next, choose a framework. If you're building a modern web app, select React or Next.js. Those are both strong options for browser-based applications and give you a flexible starting point for interactive interfaces. If your goal is mobile development, choose the option to build an Android app instead. This step matters because it determines the structure and environment of the project AI Studio will generate for you. Once that's set, move to the prompt field and type your prompt, or paste in a finished prompt if you already prepared one. This is where you describe the app you want to build, so be clear about the app's purpose, layout, and key features. The better your prompt is, the more useful the generated result will be. When everything looks ready, click Build. Google AI Studio will begin creating your app based on the model, framework, and prompt you selected. Give it a little time to process. After the app is finished, review what was generated carefully. Look through the result, check whether it matches your idea, and make any edits needed to finalize your app. That's the full workflow for getting started with app creation in Google AI Studio.